Suppose we want to declare a primary key of already existing table. Can we do it? Yes, we can do it. So we'll display the table, select star from employee. Already we have created it. It is having 4 attributes and number of records inserted. We'll see the schema of it. Schema is DSCEMP, table name. It will display the fields. It means all the attributes values along with data type and size inside the type, then null. Yes, so it indicates if we are inserting null value, it will accept. Key column is blank. No attribute is assigned as a key, and by default it will have a null value. I want to add a primary key. Suppose already existing table and one of the attribute I want to declare it as a primary key. Can I do it? Yes. So the command is alter table name, that is emp, then add primary key keyword inside bracket the attribute name which you want to declare as primary key. I want to declare EID as a primary key, so I have written in bracket EID, then semicolon. So what this will do, this will create, it will change the constraint, integrity constraint of a table, and it will assign employee ID as a primary key. Query OK, rows affected. So it means successfully we have executed the query. Alter table name, add primary key and the attribute which you want to declare it. While creating table also we can declare the primary key. The syntax of that: create table name, and inside the bracket you are writing all the attributes. The attribute which you want to declare a primary key, after its data type and size. For example, suppose you want to declare EID integer comma 3. After that just write primary key inside your create table syntax. It will create the primary key EID. We'll check now DSC employee schema of the table, and you can see now all fields, all attribute values, data types along with size, null. Now whenever any attribute is primary key, we cannot accept the null value, so it is no. It means it is become not null automatically. Previously it was yes, you can see here, but once it is declared as a primary key, so inside a key you can see the information EID is now PRI. It indicates employee ID attribute is primary key of the table EMP, and by default it is not null, so no. Default value will be null, no problem. Okay, because database have a property that by default all values will be null inside a table. But when we insert a record, null value is not acceptable. That is what we have written, not null. We can declare all these attributes also as a not null. Again, by going inside the integrity constraint or by using this alter table.